Leading manufacturer of high-quality products. International renown for our diverse range of award-winning products. Fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology. All products have been designed with the professional in mind. Constantly modernizing our powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Stay factory. There are cheaper filters. But, this is a quality filter, used by the OEM. In my opinion, foolish to buy a $70K truck and go cheap on your upkeep. Oil changes are easy, if you don't mind getting a little dirty and crawling under your rig. Plus satisfaction of knowing it is done right.